In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the lower bumper bracket on your Subaru Outback. This will be located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a pair of clip removal pliers, remove the 6 clips for the top of the grille. Remove the 2 plastic clips on either side on the top of the bumper. Up inside the wheel well, you're going to find a plastic clip. Go ahead and remove the clip. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the 7 clips on the bottom of the bumper. There's one tucked up in here. There's going to be 3 more clips inside of the lower grille area. There's one right behind the centerpiece. Grab the corner of the bumper and pull straight out. Unclip the bumper from the bumper bracket. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the front bumper straight forward. If you have fog lights, we're going to disconnect those now. There's going to be a tab right on the back. Push on that and remove the connector. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the bumper. Using a pair of clip removal pliers, we're going to remove the 2 clips in the front of the lower splash shield. Using a 12mm socket, remove the bolts on either side of the splash shield. Pull the engine splash shield down, and on the back, you're going to find 3 clips. Go through and remove the 3 clips. One on the outside, one in the middle. And then one more on the outside. Remove the bracket. Install the lower bumper bracket. Install the clips. Install the bolts. Install the clips. Install the clips to the top. Grab the bumper, get it ready to install. Install the fog light connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, push on it, make sure it's locked on. Do the same thing on the other side. Pick one corner and get it started. Wrap the bumper around. Get it seated in the front. Pull it towards the back. And snap it into place. Install the clip into the side of the wheel well. Tuck the inner fender liner into the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the clips into the bottom of the bumper. There's one hiding right up here. Install all of the clips through the bumper and the top grille.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.